used really one stainless steel sprayer pretty much for 50 years, and now there's a new entry into the marketplace. Can you tell me about this new sprayer?
Man, my treat to do so. Joe, this is the Accuthor compressed air sprayer by Insistex. Many neat features. It's not a lot of ways to reinvent the wheel, but we found some ways to make it roll a lot smoother.
Good deal.
If you will.
That helps.
And one of the neatest features right away I'll draw to your attention is the fact that we have a discharge valve on our tank. And there's two primary benefits to that. One, for the technician, when he needs to discharge the pressure to refill the tank, he can do so away from his body, which puts that discharge going in a direction not in his face. Whereas traditionally we've had to hold it between our feet and hold the tank between our feet, right, and turn the pump assembly to discharge the pressure. So that's the what I would call the primary feature of the discharge valve. The other, which is just as important, is if you had a catastrophic failure in the tank, whether it would be a bust in a hose or something, but a need to discharge that pressure off the tank because you're in a home trying to do a treatment and you've got chemical going everywhere. Immediately you're able to pull up and discharge that pressure and stop the flow of the chemical.
Well, let's talk about that because that's important. Let's say with the other stainless steel sprayers that are out there, if they burst a hose, then what happens? Does the chemical just kind of keep on running?
It will, as long as that pressure in the tank.
I see. So then with this tank, if the hose bursts, you just hit the check valve and boom, you stop the flow of liquid.
That's right. Now, of course, that technician, if he to be prudent, he would still want to pinch that flow.
Mm-hmm.
But that if you, in the old setup, if you had a catastrophic failure with the hose, you would want to pinch that hose, but you've still got to crack this to get the pressure off. Whereas in our case, you could pinch the hose to stop the flow, and you're able to discharge the pressure in the tank with one finger. So the ability to do that one thing alone is what we've done to kind of reinvent the wheel, if you will, or make a better mousetrap, whatever illustration you want to use.
Well, you've been in the industry many years, and I know you worked with a couple of distributors repairing other stainless steel sprayers in the industry.
Right.
And in your estimation, would you say the quality of this unit is just as good as other stainless steel brands that are out there?
Absolutely. Absolutely. In terms of quality and durability, there's nothing that would cause it to lag behind. You have all the same type of metallurgies. You got stainless, you got brass, and you've got chemical resistant hose. So from that aspect, there's nothing, as well as the manufacturing, the craftsmanship. It's all there.
Great.
If there was anything, I would say it's just a shame we hadn't had it out sooner.